We're almost done with the basics for the inside of the house. We're not going to go in too deep of detail. We're not going to add things like shelves or anything of that nature, or furniture or anything like that at this moment, maybe much later on. I want to get the structural stuff out of the way first. I think this is going to be the last thing that we do in well, no, we got two things. I'm going to do casework and I'm going to do plumbing fixtures. And let's see, casework. Yeah, I think I'll do casework next. But anyway, I'm going to put it on my casework layer. Put AutoCAD on my casework layer. And casework is really easy from the plan view. All you have to do is start 2 inches, 2 feet. Again, hover to get that point activated. Drag the cursor down and type 2 feet. And your line begins at 2 feet from that corner. And that is my kitchen casework. That's pretty much all there is to it. I do a little bit more detail with it. I will actually take this line. I'm going to offset it 3/4 of an inch. Oops. 0.75 inch. Not that one. But I'll set that, and that's going to be the backsplash of this casework system. And I'm going to put it on the casework layer. Okay, now of course in that I'm going to put some plumbing fixtures as well. I think I will even go ahead and do this wall as well. So I'm going to, another way of doing it would be to offset 2 feet and just offset this line, and then offset it again 0.75 inch to get a backsplash. Now we want to put them on the casework layer. And of course we got to close the open side here. Okay, and there should be also a backsplash right over here. Zoom into it. If you don't know what a backsplash is, every kitchen, I've never seen a kitchen without one. But if you don't know what one is, go home, look in your kitchen, and look at the piece of cabinet work that it's not flat horizontal plane. It's kind of up against the wall in the back of the cabinets there a little bit. So check that out so you'll know what a backsplash is. And now, of course, I'm going to clean up my corners. Forgot to hit the enter button. And when you're doing this, when you're doing these fillets, always click on the lines you want to keep, not the lines you don't want to keep. Because it will keep the lines that you want to keep. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have casework. Bathroom casework as well. And not really knowing where I'm going to put a bathtub or anything in here. I think I'm going to go about, I'm going to start about 3 feet in here. It didn't want to work. Okay, so find that node, type in 3 feet, enter. Okay, so that's where I will start my bathroom casework. And I'll do the same thing with the backsplash on that as well. And that leaves room for my bathtub, which will go right here, probably a bathtub and a shower right along here. And I'm going to do the same in this bathroom as well. A lot of times it's better to place that casework after you do your plumbing fixtures, such as your toilets and your, well, not really your sinks, because your sinks typically go inside the casework. But next video, I'll show you how to do toilets.